Hello, this is the Radio Geek, and today for you I have a radio that I kind of forgot about. I've had this for such a long time, and I was going through some things and I rediscovered it. So I put some batteries in it and thought I'd show it to you. It's a small little Kaito, a KA 105. It's a FM stereo, medium wave, shortwave radio. But I can't even remember how long I've had this. It's been a long time, probably 10 plus years. I believe you can still get this radio. I still believe they sell it. It's really nice. It's got a metal front to it, and then the back half is plastic, but the front is metal, and it's got a little bit of weight to it. It runs on a couple of AA batteries, and it's a captured lid there. I've got my world famous Texas AA batteries, made in China. Yeah, so a couple of AA's and you're ready to rock and roll. It's got a little slot here in the back, and it's got this little thing on the end of the lanyard, and you can jam it in there, and it oops, fell out. And it acts as a stand. So you got that if you want to use it, I guess. It comes with this like pouch that it can fit in, and it has the instruction manual here as well. It says that it has an aluminum front. It has medium wave, short wave, and FM stereo, 30 memory presets, alarm, sleep, manual tuning, seek tuning, presets, direct entry, mono/stereo selectable, lock switch, light indicator, stylish design, AA batteries, and AC/DC operations, external antenna jack. So yeah, it's got the jack here for the 3.5 volts DC. It's got your headphone jack here, tuning wheel here. There's the lock button, and on the other side you have your mono stereo selector switch and your external antenna, and on the end of this thing is where the antenna comes out, kind of off of the side of the radio, kind of a James Bond kind of thing to it. But the nice aluminum case is, the front half is pretty nice. Has a little backlight on it too. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. Probably not. It's not very bright, but in the dark you can see where you are on the band here. So I thought we'd just give it a real quick band scan, give it a little listen. Haven't played it in quite a while, so we'll see what we get. Start with the AM band, I guess. Back it up just a little bit here. Okay. WKZO, I think, in Kalamazoo.
We're proud to receive the 2018 GT Power Award for having the highest member satisfaction among commercial health plans in Michigan every day.
Usually get WTMJ 620. I'm not getting it tonight. There you go.
Jim Eanes tonight, and I cried again on the Legend 650 AM WSM worldwide, WSMonline.com. I told you they sound nearly identical. Preceding that, Here I Am Drunk Again, Webb Pierce from the Hall of Fame, delivering it.
Can't win for me. Both of these games yesterday were just as dramatic and exciting and compelling. That game, not the officials, you know, and the officiating was off.
670 to score, Chicago. Man, I can't believe how lucky I am getting these IDing right there when I turn to them. That never happens. WGN Chicago. Wow, Zoomer Radio. Jamming. It's 750. $760, I think that's WGR Detroit. WABC. 770. WBBM. Yeah, this is WSCCO, Minneapolis. That's HAS, Kentucky. I think my local station might be still interfering with 850. I don't think they're off the air yet, but can sometimes get KOA in Denver when the other station powers down. It's a little early for them to do that, so. Yeah. WWL 870. WCBS. WLS Chicago. Can't remember what 910 is.
Non-commercial use of our audience. Any reproduction, retransmission, or other use of this broadcast without the express written consent of Deerfield and Westwood One is strictly prohibited.
I think this might be the station I pick up from Dayton, Ohio.
All 33 games have
AM 1000 is Chicago station.
There's got to be a better way because you can't have games like this where the day after the
Could be MVP or something like that. Kaito KA Pittsburgh usually comes in better than that. And 1030 is WBZ. That's usually better than this, although it's a little early.
Josh Reeves, the other night.
The DHL's coming in good.
What's going to happen if you look at people back and there's space? They're going to put on the deck and get to the...
Just go to Oil Changers. Get your warranty first oil change at 9 minutes or less. No
1100 WTAM Cleveland.
What's that shore like for
1120 KMOX
continue to compete and win
St. Louis.
Win the Cardinals. That's what we do. Right. Where the Republicans at? You guys think that
1140.
we got people coming over here.
Tickets to the REA.
How is it possible? How does Nancy Pelosi sit in her office when angel moms and dads are waiting to say hi? And will you hear our side? As a rule, salespeople get a bad rap. I mean, we've all had bad experiences with salespeople. But again, Rochester.com and interact with the forums on Facebook at Custom Fat Loss Rochester. Lose fat with Dr. Max. Hey, dude. Hey, man.
WHAM New York.
Bathroom remodel in here, huh? Yep. Man, my bathroom. It looks awesome.
1190. I think that's WOWO Fort Wayne, Indiana. Whoa. Used to be a 50,000 watt station before it got neutered. We do PHT, Pennsylvania.
What we're going to do is we're going to get some
I don't know what that is.
Let me tell you why I'm asking all these questions.
1300, that's a local wood radio.
Should we wait a week? My general answer is no.
There's a lot of stations tonight.
Here in Arizona, it pains me to say that not rainy is the road. It just hands down the best thing that will.
Pick up some speed here. 1880.
Enjoying it? MN6 came on.
Honest.
ESPN has the live projections for Football Power Index, and sometimes you see another networks also.
1530.
Based off of the score and the time left, the Patriots have a 2% chance of winning or losing.
Whatever the circumstances are. My point is this. I wonder if we have a separate model for Tom Brady when he's playing. You understand what I'm talking about. The extra gives you something.
There's so much syndication on the AM band. Everybody's playing the same thing, so it's hard to tell where you are sometimes. It's a station in Iowa, I think. KCJJ, I think.
And his wife's got a bun in the oven. Still bringing it. 61. Still bringing it.
Wow, that was a lot of AM stations, wasn't it? It does pretty good for a little small radio. Let's see quickly here. So it stands all the way out, and then you can swivel it so you can have it like so. But I'm gonna kick it out a little bit this way, and the FM.
That was requested galactic.
Survived the incredible voyage across. Of our radio station.
Always fresh and organic. Your nose.
Simmons on ESPN Radio at the end.
Resigned. He was the only American citizen reporting from Iran on a permanent basis.
Oh, and then.
What you need, and once you get a certain.
There we go. That was pretty good. See if we can get any shortwave real quickly here. There's Brother Stare. Can't swing a dead cat in a shortwave band without hitting that guy.
Almighty God said, when the earth will be
See if I can remember how to do the direct entry here. I don't remember, I guess. Anyway, that gives you an idea, a little flavor for the radio and for what it can pick up. You know, it's an awful small radio, awful small antenna. You know, if you probably played around a little bit more on the shortwave band, you could probably pick up a few more things. I didn't really spend too much time on it. Spent a lot of time on that AM band scan. So anyway, it's a nice little radio. It's really an attractive radio. It's got this aluminum front to it. Got a clock, an alarm, a sleep function. You just push the button in. Oops. You just push the button in here and you can fix the amount of time that you want from 90 minutes to 10 minutes and it'll stay on for that length of time and shut itself off. So it's kind of a nice little travel radio. It's got just everything you need. It's got a clock, an alarm, AM FM shortwave receiver, runs on a couple of AA batteries. I believe they still make them. If you're interested in getting one, I believe they're even cheaper than they were when I bought mine originally. So anyway, this is the Kaito KA 105 AM FM shortwave radio. And until next time, this is the Radio Geek.